A list of project ideas for developers. Eye tracking for iPhones and iPads, available for devices with the A12 chip or later, allows users to move through elements like apps and menus just by looking at their screen. React Router and Remix are merging into one project. What was planned to be released as Remix 3 is now going to be released as React Router v7. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has opened investigations into almost all of the major companies testing autonomous vehicles or advanced driver assist systems. The agency is examining hundreds of crashes for safety lapses. The investigations signal a new phase in the relationship between safety regulators and the private sector. Amazon and Netflix have signed a 3-year deal that will put exclusive Christmas games on the streaming service. The first 2 games will be aired on Christmas Day. 2025 and 2026 will see at least 1 game on the service each Christmas. The NFL is able to cancel all of its TV deals at the same time in 2029. This could lead to an unprecedented bidding war that could upend the entire NFL content world. This article presents the story of Tesla's Supercharger firings based on interviews with 8 former charging division employees, 1 contractor, and an email that Tesla sent to outside vendors. Charging chief Rebecca Tanucci went to meet with Elon Musk about the network's future the day before the firings. Tanucci had recently cut between 15 to 20% of staff, but Musk wanted more layoffs. She balked at the request, saying that deeper cuts would undermine the charging business's fundamentals. Musk responded by firing Tanucci and her entire 500-member team. This post presents notes on various topics related to cancer vaccines. It covers cancer neoantigens, protein characterization, AlphaFold, different cancer treatments, vaccine production, and more. Cancer vaccines that target neoantigens are expensive as they have to be personalized. While individualized cancer vaccines are not yet practical, they present a promising possibility for significantly better cancer treatments. The world's need for computing requires colossal amounts of power that will soon exceed what the planet can provide. Superconductors offer the possibility of drastically lower energy consumption as they do not dissipate energy when passing a current. While they require cryogenic temperatures to work, they offer many benefits like zero-resistance interconnects, digital logic built on ultra-short pulses that require minimal energy, and the capacity for incredible computing density due to easy 3D chip stacking. Superconducting computers can be more power efficient than their classical cousins at large scales. Raspberry Pi has announced plans to file for a UK stock market listing to expand its current talent pool and product offerings. Quary is an open-source business intelligence tool for engineers. It allows engineers to connect to databases, write SQL queries to transform, organize, and document tables in databases, create charts, dashboards, and reports, test, collaborate, and refactor iteratively through version control, and deploy organized documented models back into databases. Query supports Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, PostgreSQL, Snowflake, Supabase, DuckDB, and SQLite. Google is opening up its home platform to third-party developers through new APIs that build on the foundation of Matter. Developers looking to tap into the APIs will need to pass certification before rolling out their apps. Apps won't be able to access users' smart home devices without their explicit consent. Google plans to open up access to the APIs on a rolling basis. The first apps using them will hit the Play Store this fall. Mike Krieger, one of the co-founders of Instagram, is Anthropic's new Chief Product Officer. Krieger spent the last few years working on an AI news-reading app that was recently acquired by Yahoo. His background in developing intuitive products and user experiences will be invaluable for Anthropic as it creates new ways for people to interact with its AI chatbot, Claude. The objective for Starship's next test flight is for the ship to get past max heating, or at least further than last time. This post looks at what it means to maintain an open-source project, the nature of succession, and how expectations differ between maintainers, contributors, and users.